Hello students, welcome to geography class. I am your geography teacher. Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. So students, in the lesson number 2, let us use graticule, we have learned any place on the earth we can find with the help of latitude and longitude. We can estimate the size of all rivers, mountains and waterfall present on the earth with the help of this latitude and longitude. In addition, we also learned that the difference between any two latitude and longitude is divided into 60 parts and each part is called 1 minute. This means 60 minutes is the difference between two latitudes. Now the difference of 1 minute is again divided into 60 parts and one part of it is called 1 second. Similarly, with the help of unit of latitude and longitude, minutes and seconds, we can find the size or place of any place on the earth. From this lesson, we also learned that for 2 days in a year, the sun's perpendicular rays comes on Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The north and south pole of the earth has a season of 6 months each. The summer season lasts for 6 months and at that time the sun appears for 24 hours, and during winter season the sun is not visible for 6 months. The rays of the sun come differently on the earth. Somewhere it comes straight and somewhere it is very skewed. That is why different seasons are seen at different places on the earth, and that's why we can see difference in 0 degree longitude. That means prime meridian is very important meridian. Standard time and date are decided only with the help of this meridian. Also, the only meridian which is completely opposite to the prime meridian is the 180 degree meridian. It is also a very important meridian because the count of all meridians starts at the prime meridian and ends at 180 degree meridian. Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of this country in figure 2.5. From west to east and also from north to south, there is no difference in the degrees or minutes of latitude or longitude, but the difference is only in seconds. From this, you will get an idea about the use of the similar unit of minutes and seconds in angular measurements. So students, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Its area is 0.44 square kilometer and it is located in Italy near Italian peninsula. If we talk about its size, then its longitudinal distance is 12 degree 21 minute 30 second east to 12 degree 21 minute 0 second east. There is a difference of only 30 seconds. And if we talk about its latitudinal distance, that is 41 degree 54 minute 30 second north to 41 degree 54 minute 0 second north. Here too there is a difference of only 30 seconds. This shows that the size of this country is very small. Like this, we can learn how to use the unit of minutes and seconds. Now let's see some important questions and answers related to this lesson. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is known as the smallest country in the world. Answer is Vatican City. Second, the international date line is marked with reference to dash meridian. Answer is 180-degree meridian. 3. The prime meridian is known as dash. Answer is Greenwich meridian. 4th, global standard time is known as dash. Answer is Greenwich Mean Time. 5th, variations in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in dash and dash. Answer, plant and animal life. 6th, different temperature zones give rise to dash belts. Answer is pressure. 7th, the 180-degree meridian lays opposite to the. Answer is prime. 8th, the equator as well as all pairs of opposite meridians is formed. Answer is Great Sun. 9. Due to dash and dash of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on. Answer is duration and intensity. 10th, all places between 23° 30' north and south of equator receive dash rays on 2 days in a year. Answer is perpendicular. Question number 2. Complete the following sentence. While describing the location of a place, we only one parallel and one second. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallel and two meridians at the. Third, for describing the extent of linear feature like a river or road, we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal. Fourth, all places between 23° 30' north and south of the equator receives perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Fifth, depending on the season, date time can be greater than 24 hours in the area, the polar circles and the. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. First, what a answer. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between two places on the. Second, where is the Vatican City located? Answer, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, located in Italy on the Italian peninsula. 3. Why is the prime meridian considered an important meridian? Answer, the prime meridian is an important meridian because its main purpose is to fix the global standard time and coordinate date of different countries. So students, this is your homework. Write down the given question answers into your geography. Thank you for